We basically build a culture around customer service.
I learned early on to treat the customer right and be fair, and it'll come back to you. So at all costs, make it right for the customer.
Because at the end of the day, if you do not have a happy customer, you've done nothing. You failed, and you failed your mission. So a lot of it is just about that. Like, if you bring a customer in contact with the tech team that's going to be on their site in advance of the installation, not only do you uncover they get a complete walkthrough of the entire project, they understand every nuance, and then if something comes up pre-installation, it gets dealt with before the people, before we actually get on the jobs.
There's educational steps along the entire path, and we actually have paper cutouts of the actual physical size, and we can pin them right on the wall. And do you like it here? Would you rather a unit down here on your floor? Where is the unit going to go outside? How's it, so you have to really educate and inform and show them. It's kind of a show and tell thing along the whole way.
Yeah, it costs money to send people in ahead of time but I find the comfort level of the customer is very high because they've met the individual that's going to be in the house. So when we start, it's like, hey, Alex, good to see you again, and everybody's kind of on the same page. So we do a lot on the front end to make a smooth transition when we're actually on site doing the work. Sort of get people in the mindset of like, this is a very big investment. It's $15,000 or $20,000 in a lot of cases, and the last thing you want is a buyer remorse situation. So you just try to nail down every conceivable contingency so that, again, you got to guarantee that, happy result basically.